everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel TNV Academy. Have you ever met someone who is extremely organized, follows rules seriously and always ensures that everything is done perfectly? Now imagine that such a person is responsible for making hospitals safe, banks secure and apps reliable. That is exactly what ISO is like. Instead of thinking of ISO as a complex set of standards, we can understand it better by imagining it as a person whose main job is to bring order, safety, and consistency into everything around us. Now, personality of ISO. If ISO were a person, it would be calm, disciplined, and highly organized. It would not believe in shortcuts or a careless attitude. Instead, it would always focus on doing things properly and following a structured approach. This personality ensures that every task is completed in the right way and delivers consistent results. ISO represents the idea that if there is a safer and better method available, it should always be followed. Now, the working style of ISO. One of the most important qualities of ISO is its approach to problem solving. If something goes wrong, ISO does not focus on blaming individuals. Instead, it looks at the system and tries to understand why the mistake happened in the first place. By improving processes and creating clear guidelines, ISO ensures that errors are reduced and efficiency is increased. This system-focused mindset is what makes ISO reliable and effective. Now let's discuss ISO in hospitals. In a hospital environment, ISO as a person would focus on maintaining hygiene, ensuring accurate reports, and providing safe treatment to patients. It would make sure that every procedure is standardized so that there are no chances of confusion or error. This leads to better patient care, timely diagnosis, and a safer healthcare environment. ISO's presence ensures that even in critical situations, systems remain controlled and dependable. Now, ISO in banks. When applied to banks, ISO would prioritize the safety of financial transactions and the protection of customer data. It would ensure that proper security measures are in place to prevent fraud and data breaches. Because of this, people are able to trust banking systems and carry out transactions confidently. ISO acts as a backbone that supports secure and smooth financial operations. Now, ISO in apps. In the world of mobile apps and digital platforms, ISO ensures that services run smoothly without frequent interruptions. It focuses on protecting user data, maintaining performance, and preparing backup plans in case of unexpected issues. This allows users to enjoy a seamless experience while using apps for communication, shopping, or entertainment. ISO ensures that technology remains reliable and user-friendly. Now let's discuss the core strength of ISO. The biggest strength of ISO, if imagined as a person, is its ability to maintain consistency. It ensures that processes are followed in a uniform way no matter the industry or location. This consistency helps in building trust, improving quality, and reducing risk. It also creates a common standard that organizations across the world can rely on. In conclusion, we can say that if ISO were a person, it would be a quiet yet highly efficient professional who works behind the scenes to keep everything running smoothly. It may not be visible, but its impact is present in almost every part of our daily lives. From safety to security and from quality to reliability, ISO plays a crucial role in maintaining balance and trust. Understanding ISO in this way makes it simple, reliable, and easy to remember. Thanks for watching.